Alright guys, so finally got some decent comments on the channel, and somebody asked about whether this thing was any good. This Katchy thing was any good, and so let me answer that real quick. I left it in the garage for a little while, and it's got this cool thing, so it turns on the sensor whenever it wants to, or when there's not enough light, and it has caught a lot of stuff. There you go. So does it work? Yes, it does work. Ooh, it caught my finger. Oh. Anyway, it works very well. So it's worth your money. And you just change these things out when it gets too populated. And yeah, that's about it. I like how it turns on only during the night because of the sensor. And you can run it during the day if you want. Manually. Anyway, thanks for watching, and I'll see you all in the next.
Likey.